On today's virtual tour, we talk sliced pebble shower floor and a freestanding tub. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today's virtual tour is bathCRATE Crestmont Way in Modesto. Now, you're gonna see on this project, it's a pretty typical master bathroom layout. We have your shower on the right, and we have an old soaking tub on the left, and kind of a vanity as you walk into the space. And so the things you're gonna notice on this job is a similar layout, but kind of a completely different look. So let's start with the shower. You're gonna notice obviously an upgraded shower enclosure. We removed this wall that separates the shower from the tub area, and it really adds about 8 more inches of space right there in the center of that layout. That's a really handy little modification. And so the shower now has full height tile and a 12 by 24 configuration. Beautiful new plumbing fixture set there as well. And also you're gonna notice a sliced pebble tile floor on this project. Really like the way a sliced pebble floor looks. Works really well, drains well, and just adds a nice design pop. Now, as we move over to the tub area, you're gonna see what used to be more of a kind of a soaking tub configuration is now a standalone tub that's positioned there right underneath the window, right adjacent to the shower area. Just a really sleek, modern look to this bathtub, kind of a delicate looking tub. Doesn't look nearly as chunky as the old tub looked. Really like the way that design came together. Obviously, beautiful new tile flooring, new vanity top. Well, we did reuse the vanity. It's a new top, new sink, a new faucet. And of course, in the toilet room, a new toilet there and flooring there as well. So once again, a pretty traditional master bathroom, but we just love the way this thing came together in just 13 days. If you'd like more information on Kitchen and Bath Crate, go to kbCRATE.com or give us a call at 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.